Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. Today in this session, we will discuss strain energy of a bar due to self weight and an additional load. Let AB is a small strip of length ds, and S is length below section AB. Load on section AB is equal to rho ASG, weight of this portion. This plus minus is for tensile or compressive load. A is cross-sectional area of the bar. So stress is equal to load by area. Here load is rho ASG plus minus P divided by A. P is direct load, tension or compression. Strain energy is equal to work done is equal to half into load into extension. Since it is gradual loading, not sudden loading. Is equal to half load is rho ASG plus minus P into extension del L. Del L is extension. Again we know E is equal to stress by strain is del L by ds. Stress sigma divided by del L by ds, or del L is equal to sigma into ds divided by E. Rho A S G plus minus P divided by A into ds divided by E. This is del L. Half rho A S G plus minus P into rho A S G plus minus P into ds divided by A into E. This is half rho A S G plus minus P, rho A S G plus minus P. So rho A S G plus minus P whole square into ds divided by A into E. Or W is equal to rho A S G whole square plus minus 2 rho A S G into P plus P square divided by 2 AE into ds. Is equal to rho G square into A square into S square divided by 2AE into ds plus minus 2 rho G A P divided by 2AE into S ds plus P square by 2AE into ds. Rho G square A S square divided by 2E into ds plus minus 2 cancel, A cancel. So rho G into P divided by E into S ds plus P square by 2AE into ds. Total strain energy or work done U is equal to integration of limit 0 to L rho G square into A S square ds divided by 2e plus minus rho g into p divided by e s ds plus p square divided by 2ae ds. After integration, we get rho g square into a divided by 2e into L cube divided by 3 plus minus rho g p by e L square by 2 plus p square 2ae into L. U is equal to rho g square a L cube divided by 6e plus minus rho g p L square by 2e plus p square into L by 2ae. So this is the strain energy of a bar due to self weight and an additional load P. Now, if P is absent, then strain energy of the bar due to self weight U is equal to P is absent, that means this percent is 0, this percent is also 0. U is equal to rho g square into a into L cube divided by 6e. That's all for today. Thank you.